How to save ChatGPT conversations as PDF in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily save your ChatGPT conversations as a PDF on your phone. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you want to do is head over to your browser. If you're on iOS, you can use Safari, or if you have Chrome, you can just open it up. And here, just search for chatgpt.com. Once you do so, ChatGPT's site will pop up, and here you can start a conversation with it. And once you find the conversation that you want to save as PDF, so I'm just gonna ask it to tell me a joke or something random. Then once you do that, what you need to do is go ahead and make sure to log into your account from here. Then you can just start the conversation again. So I'm just going to do a simple hi and then tell me a joke. Once you have found your conversation, all you need to do now is tap on the three dots right here and then go ahead and tap on the share option. And once that is done, you will find this print icon. So just tap on it. And here you will see a drop down where you can adjust the number of copies, the colors, and then you can also adjust your paper size. You can make it A4 or whatever you want. And you can also change the orientation and pages. So if you have multiple pages, you can choose multiple pages to download and then just tap on Save as PDF and then tap on this PDF download button. Now it will start downloading on your device and it will be downloaded on your downloads folder. And just tap on save, choose your folder, and then just tap on save. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys all in the next one.